What's up, guys? This is Austin with Overkill Wash Equipment. Behind me, I've got a different style trailer here. This is a 7x14 equipment trailer. Comes with 7,000 pound axles. Same construction as our deck over trailer line. It's gonna have a approximate 8-inch channel on top and bottom. 12-inch cross members all the way across, metal decking, similar construction, just different style trailer. So customer requested this style. Before I get into this trailer is about a month old now. His guys are putting it through the ringer, so there's bleach stains. We've had some bad wind down here in Florida. It's cold as crap out. So they've been out here working this thing, okay? This is not brand new, fresh, ready to have the customer pick it up. So, now that I've said that, I don't want to hear none of the shit down in the comments about, well, oh, there's bleach stains on the reels and this and that, and there's some, like, these guys are rough, okay? But they're a 7-figure company, so they're doing volume. Is what it is, okay? So, starting right here, we've got 3 18-inch Kings electric reels, P40, 2-wire, 1-wire. We got both our downstream boxes here with the mounts on the bottom of the deck down here, so they just hook up their hoses to them, go to town. Got your guts for your P40 remote system here. There's your P40 remote system. This one has 2 tanks on it, so they can utilize their soap and neutralizer tank. P40's tucked back over here in the corner, and then we've got 2 8-gallon-a-minute machines. Customer provided all his own machines and surface cleaner and hoses, other than the Flexzilla. So, we hooked them up. We've got custom powder-coated parts for the tank straps all around the battery box, which we'll show you over there. We can coat your engine covers whatever color you want. Match your brand, match your wildest desire. Those things are fresh. Nardo gray to match the rest of the tank straps and all that stuff. The biggest custom aspect of this, seafoam green trailer, okay? Any trailer color you desire. Blue, orange, pink, white, rainbow, you know, we can do it. Maybe not rainbow, but we'll try. Moving down over here, 535-gallon water tank. It's got all that good plumbing on it. Up there's 55-gallon vertical pure water tank. Missing the tank lid, okay? We got to order them a new tank lid. Again, these guys are rough, man. They are. But coming over here, you got 2 7-gallon tanks, soap tank and neutralizer tank. Fresh labels, color coordinated, so it makes it easy. Over here, we've got 3 12-inch electric reels. This top one right here is pure water. So he wanted Flexzilla to match, you know, all the hose reels, which looked really sweet. This pure water system is set up with a pump that pulls dirty water into the filters, which I'll show you over here. So we've got our pure water system right here. So essentially we've got this pump, this bypass pump that pulls dirty water in, filters it, sends it to the tank. Then from the tank, we've got a pressure switch pump that pulls it from the tank to the reel and then reel out to the brush. So that's how that's set up. Couple pros and cons with it is you can have all the water sitting in one spot. You get better performance out of the soft wash pump going to the hose. So you get a little bit more distance, flow, some of that stuff because it's sitting there. Cons, you have to do your jobs a little bit different as far as scheduling them out, because to run it through this, it's going to take a bit longer to fill up that tank. It does not fill it up like a traditional garden spigot would, but you sacrifice a little bit of time to fill it up for the performance gains aspect of it. So we kind of skipped over the back of the trailer here. So we've got 28-inch big guy rack, 100-gallon slimline tank, custom powder-coated straps, custom powder-coated surface cleaner rack, and then we've got our fire hydrant connection coming down, nice and hidden all the way across. So that's got the good hookups in there. We touched on pure water system. Up here, 19-inch surface cleaner rack. There's not a surface cleaner up here currently, but it is prepped. Again, Nardo gray powder coat that looks really clean. This is the guy's branding, which I'll put his watermark logo over this video somewhere so you guys can see. Really, really clean build, really clean branding. His trucks match it as well, green and the gray. Over here, we've got 2 22-gallon fuel tanks, so he's got plenty of fuel. Over here, 48-inch buyer's boxes. These are pretty standard on our builds. Aluminum. It's got a good bit of storage in here up top. Same thing on bottom, as you can see. And then moving around over here, spare tire for when, again, those accidents aren't going to care, man. They're going to do what they want when they want to. Good thing is, you're prepared. All you got to make sure is you got a jack on the trailer and you're good to go. Got your quad battery box here with the lid and gasket, so she's nice and watertight. Look at how clean that wiring is. Custom powder coated gloss black. Looking spiffy. Circuit breakers here. End of the day, you shut them off. No power to the trailer. Don't have to worry about waking up to dead batteries. Last but not least, you got the electric jack up here, which is pretty standard on a lot of our builds. You know, hand cranking is, it's in the past. Shit's for the birds. Last part on the trailer, we did the full ladder rack in-house. So this is 2-inch square tubing, 11 gauge. So it's very thick. I mean, you can move the entire trailer with it. So I'm the welder, I'm the fabricator guy as well. So I do this side of it. So it is stout, okay? It's heavy duty, holds the same standards that we do with the trailers, where we want to make sure that thing is not gonna, you know, fall apart going down the road. So we painted that. It's got caps on top to allow it to vent a little bit. We've got light bars. Each of these light bars have switches. So if you look over here on this side, I'll show you real quick. So you can see we got a switch right here that activates that light bar over there. They're waterproof switches. Same thing on this back side here with that one. And then there's another one over here as well. So you got passenger, driver, and rear of the trailer for floodlights if you're working on something that's near the trailer. So that's going to allow it to literally work anytime, 24/7, and make life really, really easy. So if you guys are looking for something like this, you want something custom, you want it to match your branding, you want any color in the world, I mean, whatever you want, we can do it. We're willing to try it, and we've got 2 builds that are in the queue now for deck overs that are going to be even a step above this. So they're really going to be cool. We're really trying to push out these custom colors to fit these guys' brands, to incorporate their logos, incorporate their kind of whole mission into it. So give you guys a little sneak peek. One of the ones we have coming up is a patriotic company. It's going to be red, white, and blue. It is going to be a fire trailer as far as the whole colors go. So if you guys are looking for something like this, give us a shout, stop by. We're here in Middleburg, Florida. Phone number 904-333-6000. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.